Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Refrigeration System and Cold Room YouTube channel. Now this pharmacy cold room work is all finished and our 2 units will be on. This is chiller unit 1 and chiller unit 2. Now temperature is 4.9. This is 5.0 chiller unit 1 and this is chiller unit 2 5.1 plus 5.1. This is our control panel. Now alhamdulillah temperature is plus 5.4 and plus 5.5. All our work is finished. Now I go to inside. This is air curtain. Now alhamdulillah all our work is finished. This is chiller unit 1 and this is chiller unit 2. This is dehumidifier for the control of cold room humidity. This is in and this is out. This is thermostat for the control of humidity. We need 45% humidity in cold room. This is pressure relief valve for the safety of cold room. You see our work. Alhamdulillah all our work is finished. I request to you, please subscribe our channel and share this video to all. Now another project of our cold room chiller for pharmacy and medical company is finished. Share this video to all. Thank you for watching Refrigeration System and Cold Room.